the unicorn season! Woohoo!
Sam, did you mean it's time for unicorn DIYs?
Oh, well, potato, potato, tomato, tomato.
Okay, let's get to it. Look at this cute unicorn ice cream pan. It's gonna be our first DIY.
Or we can call it a double cute pan!
Sure, Sammy. First of all, we need some yellow clay. Just roll the clay with a rolling pin until it's flat. Now I'm gonna make some square patterns with a ruler, like this. Don't press too hard, though.
I'm rolling, shaping away.
Wow, Sam, you have a talent back there.
When you got nice slime muscles, you gotta use them, Sue.
You gave it a good roll.
I never disappoint. Slimes are the best rollers, you know.
All right, friends. We need the pan to be stuck through this clay from end to end. Now we'll cover all this with the yellow clay. It's like wrapping it in a blanket. Take it easy when doing this. Clay is kind of soft. Fix it a bit so it looks neat. You can use scissors, but be very careful, okay? Now I'm gonna fold the top end inward until the inner clay is all covered. There! We need something that can make it look, well, real. Can you guess? This one goes around. Here we go. A little bit more pressing so it sticks well. Looks pretty real, right?
Attention, cadets! You have to remember, think outside the slime box.
Sir, yes, sir.
The others, well, wait for your turn.
Are you ready for duty, cadet? Friends, we'll cover the clay with this shiny pink nail polish. This gives more realistic effect. Just one stroke at a time, otherwise it could get messy.
Whoa! Run for your life!
Hey, it's just a ball of white clay, Sammy. Relax.
Sue, I didn't sign up for a clay ball chase game.
Okay, I got this. We want our pan to look cute and pretty, right? And the neat clay braid is just what we need. Twist, twist, twist. Just like braiding the hair of a magical unicorn. Friends, we have to be patient when working with clay. So don't rush, take your time. And there you go! Nice snow cone! But it still needs more unicorn stuff. Remember, we want the double cute, double pretty pen. This goes on the very top. Great! Oh, of course we need some unicorn essentials. You know, to complete the unicorn look. Anything that will make our hearts double in size out of joy. Like a unicorn horn. Now we're adding a touch of shimmer and shine. I call this the magical golden touch. Here you go. Well, friends, do you feel enchanted already?
Oi! Out of the way, please! Ears arrived!
Right about time. One goes here, another one goes here. See?
Here comes another unicorn delivery, Susie!
Whoa! Sammy, you never cease to impress me! Of course, we don't want to miss the unicorn's face complexion. And the pen cap to finish it all. Awesome! Wait, let's try the pen out. I will write something cute here.
Sue, I want to try it out too! Oh, pretty please!
Go ahead, Sammy, but hold it tight.
Got it! Wow, it moves so smoothly! And so soft to hold on too! I gotta confess, Sue, I love it! I just love it! Alrighty, let's move on to the next unicorn DIY.
Who's excited for a unicorn castle? We will make one for you. Grab a used cheap can and… Ha! We only need the bottom half part. So, next, we need to give it a brand new look. Ta-da!
Oh, let me do some magic too! Whoosh! Voila!
Nice job, Sam! And now, let's add more sparkles to the entrance of this magical castle. Oh, Sammy! I need your help again here! Could you come up, please?
Sure! And look what I found! Stickers! They make our castle even more awesome, right?
Agreed! Aren't you like the magical fairy god slime? This is perfect! You know what they say, the more jewels, the better! A unicorn castle needs a unicorn, so… Wibble wobble wiggle woo, be a unicorn! Okay, gallop away now.
What do you need these for, Sue?
That's for the cloud where our unicorn lives. The castle is on Cloud 9, remember?
Cloud 9? Is it where unicorns prance in fields of cotton candy?
Exactly, my friend.
Oh!
Oh, I love that you're already deep in this unicorn theme. Oh, see that? This little unicorn agrees with a smile. And we're almost done. Sammy, why don't you bring those pens and markers and put them here?
This stationery will make our castle the envy of every kingdom.
Absolutely. Unicorn pen, pencil, ruler, all gather in one place.
And we're on to the next unicorn craft. Are you ready?
Friends, I think this is our best and most unique unicorn craft so far. Sammy will totally love this DIY, the unicorn cake box.
Allow me to cut that thing, Sue.
What a sweet tooth. You do know we're not making a real cake here.
No, I mean cut this. Snip, snip, hooray!
Wow, thank you. You're a true craft master. Now it's time to fold the cardboard. Do it carefully, following the marks. It will look like this after you glue together the edges. Let's give the cardboard a little glow up. And I can use a little help here, actually.
Aw, look at these red locks, so pretty! What? Hey!
Sorry, but I need this brush to give the right texture to this clay.
Wow, I've never seen such a technique before! That is so cool! Is that some next-level crafting sorcery you have there? I have to master this!
Well, it could be magic, or just creativity. Now we'll stick these strips on the cake side. Leave a small gap in between them, like this.
Sue, those gaps need some filling, and I'm already on it!
You read my mind! White filling would be great!
Strips are here!
Awesome! Now let's fit the clay strip in the gaps to make it look like whipped cream or something.
Here you go, Sue! You need this baking paper!
Thanks! We'll cover the case with it. And add some hot glue on it, like this.
This icing is killing me! Oh, my hungry eyes!
You are being overdramatic. And thanks for bringing the sprinkles, by the way. Now we'll apply some color to the dried glue. There you go! Remember to ask an adult to help with a hot glue gun, friends. Crafting together is always fun.
Here's for more icing on top.
That's right. We still need more cuteness and charms for the cake top.
Don't forget about that gold horn, Sue!
Oh, how could I?
I think extra flowers are a must! Ta-da!
A pair of ears, and we're done! This cake is full of magic! Just hide some stuff inside. Alrighty, on to the next DIY! Everybody needs a unicorn pencil case.
But I still want a cake!
Can you wait? We gotta fold this sheet in two. Then apply some glue along the shorter edges.
Sue, here! And I didn't get this from your red skirt.
My red skirt? What are you talking about? I hope he's just kidding. Friends, make sure to measure everything properly before gluing. Look, the case is ready and the zipper works smoothly. That's just great!
Unicorn Sam ready to help those in need with this power!
I need those, actually. Sometimes even magic needs a bit boost from a gadget. See how the glittered foam curls as it's heated? Pretty amazing, huh? Careful when it's still hot. Now we can stick these together on the case and fit them well at the top.
Sue, check it out! I've upgraded to the full unicorn mode now!
Oh, Unicorn Sam, let me borrow that horn for a pencil case. There we go! Oh, doesn't this look cute already? Here's one more tiny detail.
Shiny string coming through!
Cool! Do you like this unicorn pencil case, friends? I think we need just a touch of convenience. Now it's more handy to open and close it. Fill the case with all your essentials. Tape, highlighter, and correction pen. Whatever you want. The best part is, it all fits in one case. What do you think, Sammy? Is it double cute, double pretty?
Holy cannoli! It looks as if magic glitter just exploded on it! Whee!
So, friends, we've wrapped up our unicorn DIYs for today. See you all next time. Bye-bye!
And don't forget to like and subscribe! We love you!